Next, we're going to look at scanning with the SX12. So to do this, we go to the scanning measure method, measure scanning, and we have a couple of different options about framing the scan. First, we could do a full dome, which is going to scan everything the instrument can see, but you're going to see that's going to take 11 minutes, 12 minutes. So there's a couple of other options. We could do a half dome, which is going to scan 180 degrees around the way that instrument's pointing. Or if we want a bit more control, we could do a rectangle and define the sides, like I'm showing here on the screen. We can flip to say which rectangle we want. Or if you want the most control, you can go a polygon. So with a polygon, you can tap points on the map and define the area you want to scan. So if you make a mistake, you can tap the undo button and keep tapping. So once I've finished defining this overpass, the area I want, we have a bit more information. We can see that that's going to take 2 minutes, and at a distance of 100 meters, our point spacing is going to be 100 mil. So I can see what that's going to be at different distances. I could tap this arrow here and measure. And here we can see that's 10 meters away at that point, and at that point the point spacing is going to be 10 mils. So I have a couple of other options. I can tap scan limits, so that's going to exclude points that are within the minimum distance and further away from the maximum distance. So here I know that the minimum distance is 5 meters, and I don't want points outside of 50 meters. And I do want to take photos on this because I'm going to want to colorize my point cloud later. So now if I tap start, the instrument's going to start the scan, and we can just wait until it's finished.
Recording or stop?
Keep recording. We'll do a time lapse. So now we've taken our first scan, we could continue to take other scans, or a useful function if you're doing monitoring and setting up on the same position, maybe a pillar again and again, is the load scan parameters function. So down here there's a load, and you can load any scans that you've done previously in this job or a linked job, as long as you've set up on the same position. So here I can reload that scan, and as you can see, that same area, that same polygon has been highlighted, which makes it easy for me to do multiple scans of the same area for comparisons over time. Thanks for watching these videos on scanning and IFC workflows. Make sure you subscribe to the Trimble Access YouTube channel and the Trimble Access community to keep up to date with all the latest content. See you next time.